Cadison is a complete engineering solution for plant design and equipment engineering. Cadison transforms your engineering department and helps create standardization and reusability in an integrated, multidisciplinary environment. Cadison is a dream come true for companies in a wide range of industries who want to integrate their entire process from proposal engineering to construction. Cadison is a fully integrated, multidisciplinary engineering solution that combines the entire engineering workflow in one system. One common document storage system helps every project team member to work together in just one working environment simultaneously, delivering the latest updated information of the projects in all views across all disciplines. Any changes made are reflected across all disciplines and views in real time. You can automatically extract the modified 2D general arrangement drawings. This results in saving significant time and minimizing errors. Cadison provides you the flexibility to customize workflows, object models and catalogs as per your company's own standards. Cadison's flexibility and customization capabilities enable you to design and develop your own company standards so that all the engineers working in the team automatically follow the defined standards, rules, and best practices. This reduces the project cost when used for multiple projects of the similar type, size, and specifications. The concept of a single centralized database ensures 100% data consistency and offers the strategic advantage of dynamic work in project groups. So you can create the object information only once, and it is immediately available to all users. Cadison helps you to automatically generate customized consolidated reports, bill of materials, material takeoffs, and 2D general arrangement drawings, resulting in savings of valuable engineering hours and manual work. Updates are automatic in case of any changes in the project. These reports can be multilingual and customized as per your own company standards. Cadison has interfaces to ERP systems, ROAR 2, Caesar 2, Autodesk Inventor, and partially with ETAP. The custom bi-directional interface with the ERP system ensures accurate data exchange between engineering system and the ERP system. Cadison's built-in revision control and project coordination capabilities help the project management team members to coordinate with the right documents, drawings, and information related to different changes in various objects. You can see the latest updated documents and refer to the older versions anytime. Change history can also be viewed at any point of time. To summarize, Cadison's multidisciplinary integration, built-in revision management capability, customization and standardization capability, and automatic report generation ensures complete, accurate, and clash-free design that reduces your construction cost and increases project engineering efficiency by 30%. Whether you are an owner-operator, an EPC firm, an equipment supplier, or an engineering consultant, Cadison can be your complete engineering solution to design plants and engineering equipment from proposal engineering to construction. Whether you are developing a proposal for bidding stage, planning a new greenfield project, planning an expansion or modification project, or are implementing standardization initiatives across your organization, Cadison helps you crash project schedules and reduce material costs, leading to a significant improvement in your overall project engineering efficiency. Cadison, a complete engineering solution for plant design and equipment engineering.